Can you capture real emotions with a nearly 4 years old VHS camera? For me, technology is just a tool. What really matters is the emotion you want to share. Today, I want to show you how this old gem can capture something truly special. If this is your first time on my channel, welcome! I usually focus on modifying old cameras to see what they can do, but this time I wanted to focus on actually using them because I think that's worth sharing too. Let me know in the comments if you like to see more videos like this or if you prefer the tech side. Your feedback really helps. This is a Zenith VM7150 VHS camera, and this is my friend Spinel. Spinel just released his first song, 444, as an independent artist. And he asked my wife Melissa and me to help him make the music video. So I thought, why not use this vintage camera to give it a unique look? The Zenith VM7150 has a lot of limitations compared to modern tech. The resolution is very low, about 27 times less than 4K. Its dynamic range isn't great, and it doesn't handle low light very well. Plus, this specific camera unit has sound issues and the tape recording mechanism doesn't work, which I plan to fix in a future video. Now, I will let Spinel share a bit about what he wanted to express through his music video.
Hello everyone, my name is Spinel and I'm an independent music artist.
What is the song about?
Well, the song is basically I've been going through a rough time dealing with heartbreak. I know a lot of people out there struggle, show their emotions, or just find music for them, and I just thought maybe I can put my emotions into a song about my heartbreak, and I'm hoping a lot of people can relate to it. I can build a connection with people that way.
Feel you, bro. I know how it feels. Thank you for being here.
Of course. My pleasure.
Let's get into how I solved the problem of this camera not recording to tape. These cameras use a special video output port, and if you don't have the exact cable, it's almost impossible to get video directly. Usually, you will have to record on a tape and then transfer it to the computer. I like to modify these cameras from the inside, so they can output a video signal that I record directly onto an SD card using a mini DVR. If you're not sure what a mini DVR is, I'll leave you a link in the description with more details. But in this case, things got tricky. The camera arrived just a day before filming, and even though I have other cameras, I really wanted to use this one. I didn't have the time to modify it, so instead, I made a custom cable to extract the video. I even made a tutorial on how to make these cables, and if you're interested, I'll link that in the description. With this idea in mind, and on a super tight budget, we decided to shoot in some natural location in Southern California. We only had one day for all the shots, so we had to work fast. We started at a place called Salvation Mountain, where we were inspired by this huge message paint on the hills. Most of the Spinel's playback shots were done there. We filmed in August, so the heat was intense. We started around 5 PM after it cooled down a bit, but then we had to deal with the setting sun, and as you know, this camera doesn't perform well in low light. After that, we rushed to the next spot called Salton Sea, where we shot Spinel playing the guitar, and what I think is the most important shot, the moment when Spinel's inner demons appears and attack him. I should mention that while most of the video was filmed with the VHS camera, I also used a drone for a few aerial shots to emphasize the character's feeling of despair. Later in post-production, I edited this shot to match the VHS look, keeping the overall style consistent. Even so, the core look and feel of the video mostly come from what we captured with the Zenith VM7150. The whole process was exciting but also stressful, since we had less than an hour before sunset. Despite all the technical limitations, I think we managed to capture the emotion that the Spinels wanted to express. This camera, even with its age, helped us create something truly unique. In the end, technology is just a tool. What matters is how we use it to tell stories. We wrapped up the day exhausted and starving, grabbing $2 burgers from a 7-Eleven. For me, it was an amazing experience to share my vision of using these beautiful retro cameras to capture emotions. And I know some people might wonder why go through all this trouble when you could just add a filter in post-production, but to me, you will never get the same results. Plus, holding this equipment in your hands with all its quirks and character is priceless. What do you think? Have you used or would you ever use a VHS camera for your projects? Let me know in the comments. Before I go, I want to thank everyone who's helping this channel grow. If you like this, please leave a comment, hit like, and subscribe. I'd love to hear your suggestion for future videos. And if you like to see the final result, I'll leave a Spinell's music video link in the description. Thank you, and see you in the next video.